5 best high-quality processor mobile under 30,000 rupees. Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro. This smartphone features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 processor, which is a high-performance chipset. It has a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display, a quad camera setup, a large 160 mAh battery, and fast charging support. Realme Narzo 30 Pro is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 800U processor, which offers smooth performance. It has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display, a triple camera system, a 5000 mAh battery, and 30W fast charging. Samsung Galaxy F41 is powered by an Exynos 9611 processor, known for its efficient performance. It boasts a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, a triple camera setup, a 6000 mAh battery, and 15W fast charging. Motorola Moto G60. Featuring a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor, the Moto G60 delivers excellent performance. It sports a 6.8-inch IPS LCD display with a high refresh rate, a triple camera system with a 108MP main sensor, a 6000 mAh battery, and 20W fast charging. Nokia 5.4. The Nokia 5.4 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, offering decent performance. It has a 6.39-inch IPS LCD display, a quad camera setup, a 4000 mAh battery, and 10W fast charging. Thanks for watching this video.